Hi loves, welcome back to the channel. Meet me, I am Tina. If you're new to the channel, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe so you got to follow us while we rock our books. Alright, let's dive in straight into today's lesson. And to begin with, number one, we are having already written sentences, yeah, and what we are expected to do right there is to fill in these boxes to give us a sentence. Okay, so that is what we're going to be walking through today. So it's a kind of brain teasing game, a kind of brain teasing teaching that we're going to be doing today. So let's start right away. Now for number one, I have the car. I have we go. Sorry, this is a space. I have G. That's an expo for you. All right. I have T, D, ba. Can we make a sentence out of that? Sure, definitely we can. So what do? Now try yours while I try mine. That's how we're going to be doing this entire process. So let's get it done. Now I'm going to add N here, add O here, this O, and I'm going to add again O here. And what did I get? Okay, one more box. I'm going to add R. Okay, I'll feed my. Now let's read it through. Can we go to the bar? Exactly. Can we go to the bar? That's it. All right, the next one, number two. My da ons e fa. So what should we put in? What letters do you think will give us a meaningful sentence? Now work out yours while I do mine. Now I add D here, right here, and right here I'm going to be adding M. Can we read that now? My dad owns a farm. Just that. You see how it works now. So looking at it before now, this was da, okay, and this was ka, and this was ba. So we added N here, it becomes can. We added R here, it becomes ba, and we added O here, go. So that's how we're able to go the sentence. Now, my dad owns a farm. Okay, can we go to the bar? You see how it works. So let's move. Fi to space in the bo space. If you've been following me, you should know that we've been able to walk through this B, F, D, C, yeah, and G as well. So basically what I have on this board, we've been able to touch them somehow. So let's move. Now I have Fi. I will be putting double L here, and that gives me feel, yeah, okay. And again, if I decide to put E here, it gives me file, okay. Before we proceed, let's make a recap of our previous lesson to see what we did and why we are into the sentence forming we are having actually today. So we have the ba, be, bi, bo, bu, ka, se, si, ko, ku, da, de, di, do, du, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Okay, so this is what we did previously. We did it batch by batch. Now we are constructing sentences with them. All right, so now we have here, can you come over? Give me a bag of beans. Can you come over? Give me a bag of beans. The boy is fun. All right, number 7, and I'm going to be adding letter T here, and I'll also be adding O here, and that makes up a sentence which I read, get up, let's go. Okay, get up, let's go. Number 8, I am a dash. What should we have? I can add I and R. I am a girl. Yes, I am a girl. Copy that dash. Copy that file. This is copy. That. This is file. And number 10, go and G dash dash me a dash. Go and get me a cup. Taken? Okay, so the next one, which is number 11, we have you are a dash. You are a boy. This is you are a boy. Okay? And number 12 is B dash N, a boy or a dash. This is B. Let's say I add E here, that's Ben, and add I R L, that's girl. Now I read, is Ben a boy or a girl? Okay, so let's read up again. Get up, let's go. I am a girl. Copy that file. Go and get me a cup. You are a boy. Is Ben a boy or a girl? All right, so we've been able to construct some sentences up to this point. Let's proceed. Let's make it up at least 15 letters, like 15 sentences, okay? We have fa, and let's add N-I, that's funny, okay? Funny. Funny, it's a name, and add A here, which is can, and let's add O-K here, and that's cook, okay? So, funny can cook. That's a sentence. Okay, again we have C, empty boxes. I have your dash. I add A-N, that's can. Can I have your doll? Okay. Can I have your doll? Say doll, okay. Your doll. And again, for number 15, which is the last one today, we have BC, can we have your dash? BC is a name. Can we have your dash? BC, can we have your book? Okay, so we have been able to construct some sentences based on the 2-3 letter, the 4 letter words we've been working on, the B, the C, the D, the F, and the G. So this is it, guys. So today, this is where we're going to be stopping. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in our next class. Bye for now.